How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer funds or money from one BET9JA account to another. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for those of you guys who aren't aware, BET9JA is an online platform betting site for sports. So if you guys have like a favorite sports team, like be it soccer or basketball, table tennis, cricket, or whatever, this is a site where you actually get to bet your money on for your favorite team. So they have this cool feature where they track live progress of the match that details the points and which team is winning. So in this video, I'll be talking about, like I said, how to transfer your money from one account to another. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to go to BET9JA's homepage, which is pretty simple. Just go to their website and you want to log in with your account on their website. So step one, start by going to their site and using your login details to access your account. Now, once you guys are here and once you guys are past the login page, this should take you to your dashboard. And from your dashboard, you want to click on My Account. And this is usually on the top right corner of your screen next to your profile icon. So normally somewhere here, right? And when you click on it, it should show you a drop-down menu with some options like settings, logout, my account, profile picture, and whatever. So from here, you want to click on my account. And this should take you to a new page that will show you all of your transactional options or payment methods or gateways. So from here, you want to click Cashier. And when you click on Cashier, there should be an option that says transfer funds, as you guys can see here. So what you want to do is you want to click on transfer funds. And once there, you want to add the amount from that account that you want to transfer to another, as well as the details of the recipient. So you will also have to provide the other person's username, ID, and BET9JA may require you to enter your PIN number. So let's say that you and your friend had a bet. Oh, this sports team is gonna win. No, man, this one, my team is gonna win, and they happen to win the bet. Then these are the steps that you actually need to take to send them the money. So basically, just transfer funds, enter their details, follow the on-screen instructions, and you guys should be good to go. Simply review the details, hit send, and that's it. It's that simple. So the supported payment methods, as you guys can see, are Airtel, direct bank transfer, I guess, Visa, Mastercard, debit, credit card. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.